Hey Curly Teas! Today we're making a moisturizing, creamy leave-in with walnut oil, murumuru butter, and butterfly pea flower powder. Walnut oil is actually pretty great for dry hair. It can help lock in moisture without being overly greasy. Butterfly pea flower powder is used as a natural colorant. It's said to help promote thicker hair over time and changes color depending on the pH. Murumuru butter helps lock in moisture and enhances shine. It's also lighter than shea butter, so if you apply it directly, it spreads better than shea as well. So if you're looking for an alternative to shea, you can try murumuru butter. Here, I'm showing you what I use for this recipe. You can use whatever amount you want. You can also use whichever herbs work best for your hair. Cassia hydroxypropyl triammonium chloride is a cationic conditioning ingredient made from cassia. It's similar to guar cat, but you don't have to adjust the pH when you're using it. Mix well to form a slurry. This cream is softening and moisturizing, and the color is nice too. Like I said, the cream will get just a little thicker than what it is right now, but it will spread easily without leaving a super greasy afterfeel. That's it, guys. Enjoy this soft purple moisturizer. Thanks for watching the video. As always, don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.